Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to speed up or slow down clips in InShot for that dramatic or cinematic effect. Let's get started. First, open your project in InShot and tap on the clip you want to adjust. Then here, scroll down through the menu and then you can see a speed icon. You'll now see a slider that lets you increase or decrease the playback speed. Slide right to speed up the clip. This is perfect for time lapses, fast action shots, or transitions. Then you can also slide left to slow it down. This is ideal for dramatic moments or cinematic scenes. Then you can even more control. Just tap curve at the bottom, and this lets you create a speed ramps where the speed gradually changes for smoother effects. Then preview the changes. Don't forget to match the audio if needed, either mute or slow it down or sync music manually. And that's how you use a speed control like a pro in InShot. If you found this video helpful, hit that like, subscribe, and let me know what editing trick you want next. See you soon. Thanks for watching.